Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to work with clips. Clips allow for easy storage and retrieval of image objects to and from the clipboard. The Clips bank can be launched from the Panel Toggles pop-up menu. From the View menu. From the Toggle Clips button on the Copy tool and on the Paste tool option bar. And from the Quick Command panel. The Clips bank will automatically show with the use of clip brushes, image brushes and image shape brushes. The Clips bank title shows the current bank number. On the left is the list of all the banks. There are a total of 1,000 banks. Each bank contains up to 40 clips. The Compact View button will hide the list of the banks and only the clips in the selected bank will be displayed. Click the Expand View button to show the list of banks again. Right-click on a clip or clip slot to show the pop-up menu with different options. From here you can delete, overwrite, and flip a clip horizontally or vertically. Set a clip as reference image. Name and delete banks. And also, import and export banks of clips. To add a new clip, copy the object to the clipboard with the Copy tool, and click once in an empty clip slot. If you want to replace an existing clip, copy the new one, right-click on the clip that you want to remove and select the Overwrite option. To use the clip, select the Paste tool. Click on the desired clip and click once on the canvas. If you want to change the size or the rotation of the object, use the different options of the Paste tool. Very often the clips are used with the clip brushes, image brushes or image shape brushes. A clip can also be used as a background image. Just select the clip and click on the Paste as New option in the Edit menu.